everyone, my name is Natalia Willette and I am a Florida real estate and estate planning attorney, and I am from LCO Law. And today I wanted to talk to you about tax deeds, the difference between private mortgages and government mortgages. For more videos like this, please remember to subscribe to our channel. We have plenty of videos, over 100 videos on real estate investments in the state of Florida and estate planning. So there's always more being released, always more information. Our goal is to educate you so that you can feel empowered to make your real estate investments and your estate planning. So today's video, like I said, is about tax deeds, and it's about government loans versus private mortgages. One of the most commonly asked questions I get from investors who purchase tax deeds or who want to start purchasing tax deeds is, does this mortgage survive the tax deed issuance? And the thing is, there's a special aspect about a tax deed in which it's considered brand new paramount title from the state. So it's as if the state had gone back to 1840 something, where they first surveyed the land and said, this piece, this little block, this folio number, this is now yours directly from us, the state of Florida. We consider the prior interests, prior private parties involved to no longer be of effect. And that includes tenants, by the way. So when it comes to mortgages surviving or not surviving, the important aspect to consider is not the amount, not necessarily when it was recorded, so long it was recorded obviously before the tax deed was issued, but who is the mortgage lender. So if the mortgage lender is somebody like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Ocwen, a credit union, you name it, any of those kind of private actors, or an individual who loaned money out to the prior owner for purchasing the property, all of those are private lien holders that are going to get wiped out as part of the issuance of the tax deed. They would be naturally named defendants in any action to quiet title so that you could get title insurance coverage on your tax deed. But on the other hand, if you see that the person who is acting as a lender, the entity, is City of Tampa, State of Florida, City of St. Petersburg, you know, all of those municipal-like entities, or the state of Florida, then at that point, like Florida Housing Finance Corporation, those mortgages do survive the issuance of the tax deed because they are considered county or municipal liens, and those county or municipal liens are by statute protected and survive the issuance of the tax deed and will have to get satisfied by the tax deed purchaser as part of clearing up their title, cleaning it up, and selling it off to somebody else who wants a warranty deed, so through a traditional title closing transaction type of a thing. So how do you deal with mortgages that are federal mortgages, meaning they're not private mortgages, but they're also not municipal mortgages, they're not city mortgages? So in those cases, essentially the way that it works is that under federal law, generally those have priority. However, if they've been noticed of the proceedings and of the administrative tax deed sale, meaning a sale took place and there was notice sent out to that federal entity, that due process notice would allow the federal lender to be wiped out. Now, of course, it depends on who the federal lender is. There's different treatment for an SBA mortgage than from other types of entities that are federal entities. And so you've just got to see who the actor is that's involved. But for the most part, things like an SBA loan are generally wiped out through the tax deed sale. So those are my little tidbits on the difference and whether they survive or not. That'll help you calculate your maximum bid amount, knowing which liens exist on the property and which ones are going to survive. That'll much better help you calculate what you're willing to bid up to. And if you see people bidding here, 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 and here, and you know there's a mortgage that survives, you know they didn't do their due diligence and you want to walk away from that sale. So my name is Natalia Willette. I'm a Florida real estate and estate planning attorney, and I want to say to you, good luck out there, investors.